Well, I see a ginormous thing of oil in my driveway, and he wants to take it for a test drive. I'm not sure this is a good idea. So what'd you do to this thing?
Before we rebuilt the engine.
It did?
Yeah.
What happened to the hood?
Oh, you don't need those.
You don't need those? Okay. Where'd all the oil come from?
Previous days.
All right, how's it gonna go this time?
I think it's gonna go better than no crate.
Yeah, if you recall last time we were in here, yeah, I didn't have enough power to make it up the driveway. Well, it goes downhill great. Of course, I guess that isn't much of a feat, really, is it?
Well, I mean, the brakes work. That's
Well,
the
I guess
most
I'm
important
glad
thing.
you did check the brakes. Ready. Well, Bill's just got a little more pep here. Moment of truth. What's gonna happen here?
I hope it goes uphill like I did when I did my solo run.
Wow. Not bad, man. So what'd you learn during this experience?
Take your time and always double check yourself before you start doing things.
Oh yeah, how many times have you had this thing apart in the last week trying to get it back together right?
A few times, yeah.
Good job,
I didn't try to drive it or anything. I knew that something was wrong.
Very good.